Hey guys, it's Dante with PR Equipment out here in Kearns, Texas, and we're gonna take care of a Spartan tech tip today. And this is one of those things that you don't necessarily have to go to the dealer for. You can order this part from us, or you can order it directly from Spartan and replace it yourself. What we're gonna do today is replace a seat safety switch on your Spartan mower. For all the models, it's gonna be the same safety switch. The RZ and the RT series is a little bit different to remove the seat. Today we're removing the RZ seat and going to replace the safety switch. So obviously you have to get underneath the seat. The RZ seat flips up without a latch, and there is a catch right here to keep your seat from falling forward. What I like to do is release that catch and lay that seat forward. And this is not something that's in the manual. This is just something from experience that helps hold that seat. You need a 1/2-inch socket to remove the seat. You've got 4 bolts right here that the seat is bolted to the pan with. Let's unplug our safety switch first. Pull the cord out of the way. Then we'll remove the seat. Okay, once your seat is free and out of the way, you'll see your seat switch here. Free it from the seat. Take it out of its carrier. Like so. Don't lose that spring. You got some clips on each side. Squeeze those clips and drop that switch out. Now our new replacement seat switch came with a different carrier, so we're going to free it from its carrier. Again, free the switch. Slide it back into its new carrier so that it snaps in like that. Don't forget your spring, and put the new retainer on. Now your seat switch is back together. Match your pattern right here. Lock it back into place. Again, this is one of those things I just learned from experience, but if you lock your seat pan up like that, you can put these studs in your holes, and it just makes it a lot easier to handle this job by yourself. Take your socket and tighten those bolts up. Reconnect your seat switch. And you should be good to go. Like I said, this is one of those things that you don't have to necessarily take it to the dealership to do. You can do this yourself. If you have the right tools and just a little bit of knowledge, it helps you knock this out easily on your own. If you ever have any questions, you can always call or text us here at PR Equipment, 903-270-0877.